Hi guys, welcome back to Blush and Bling. This is Meenan and hope you guys are doing great. In today's video we're going to talk about a lot of skincare. By the way, this is my real face without makeup, without skincare. I have a zit also over here, but that's okay. So today we're going to talk about skincare guide. I'm going to show all the products that I use, which is this basket. Has a lot of products. So I'm going to tell you guys what all to use in which way, in what series, and I'm going to apply it on myself so you can see it very well, and I hope it will be useful for both guys and girls. So it's a highly requested video on my channel, so I thought, yes, why not do a updated skincare routine. So we're going to talk about a lot of skincare products, like there's vitamin C serum, there are other facial oils that I use, and I want to talk about it to you guys and all of that. So stay tuned till the end. So if you guys are new, please hit the subscribe button and the bell notification for getting more updates from Blush and Bling. And yeah, we make amazing videos related to beauty, fashion, makeup, travel, lifestyle, basically everything entertaining. So you will not regret subscribing to the channel. Now after that long intro, let's dive into the video. Now first, let's talk about the routine that I follow. It is the CTM routine. It's very popular. It's cleanser, toner and moisturizer wala routine. So I'm also gonna do the same, but with my own method. So yeah, let's talk about it. So for cleanser, I do not use a cleanser to be specific. I use a face wash. Now face wash and cleanser are two different things, I know, but both can be used for cleansing your skin. Cleanser will be slightly better, but I have always used face wash and this one suits my skin very well. It's the Patanjali honey orange face wash. I'm using this since I think 4 or 5 years, I think now, and this has worked very well for my skin. I'm gonna stick to it. It's amazing, and mainly it has honey, so moreover on the dry skin people, they can use this one. So I really like this one. If you guys want to go for a good cleanser, you can use the Biotic one. My friend had one, so I have used it a few times. So I really like that product, so I'm going to link it somewhere in the description. All the products will be linked in the description, so please check that out. So once the face wash process is done, I've already washed my face, so I'm not going to do it again on the camera. So let's move on to the next step, which is toning. Now for toner, I use this VLCC Rose Water Toner. I cannot live without this toner. Like, this is my holy grail. I have to use a toner. People who are having open pore issues, they should definitely use toner. I mean, everyone should use it, but it's a cure for the open pore thing, and I think I really love this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a cotton pad and I'm going to apply it on my face. And I just dab it. I don't just sweep it because it's not a cleanser, it's a toner. So you have to dab it onto your skin. Now for the zit that I have, this is a free tip for you guys. If you guys want to try it, it works well for me. I'm gonna use some more toner and I'm just gonna put on top, soften the zit and the pimple that I've got, and it will reduce it magically. I swear it works for me. And I'm just gonna keep it for like some time. Okay, so the toning process is done. Now let's move to the other process. Now this time I use a serum, and I have two serums over here. One is the vitamin C serum. Now vitamin C is very nice. It gives you that glow and it diminishes your dark spots from the skin. It gives your skin a collagen boost, so it's very good for, you know, people who are in their mid-20s. So I think this product is really good, and I saw the result. Even within a week I saw the result, and this one is highly recommended. This is from the brand Dermaco, and they have not sent me this product. This is a not sponsored one. Now I recently contacted my dermatologist talking about this one. So they said, since my face is a little dual tone, if you see, this area is a little darker than the rest of my face, so for that they said this is helpful even for that. So I can use it at night as well, and in daytime I can use a vitamin E serum or a hyaluronic serum, but I have never used those products, so I'm not going to talk about them. But vitamin C has definitely worked, and I still use it during the daytime sometimes, And whenever you're using a vitamin C serum, you must use a good SPF protection, like a good sunblock or a sunscreen. So that's a must with a vitamin C serum. Something that you shouldn't do with when you're using a vitamin C serum is you shouldn't use a product which is having niacinamide acid, because then both the products cancel out each other and it doesn't do any good for your skin, instead of just layering up products, right? So make sure you use this product carefully. The next product that I got here is this Kumkumadi Tailam from the brand Vasu. This I got in the PR package, but when I used it, it was so amazing. Like, I really loved this product. I started using when my skin was very dry, it was very itchy. I just started using this like twice a day, and it healed my skin literally within like 4 days. I saw the result pretty good, and today I'm gonna go ahead and use this serum. Now this is a facial oil, so you just have to use very less. I just use 2 drops. Okay, my skin is already glowing. Now for oily skin people, if they don't want to use that, they can go for a serum. They can go for a vitamin C serum as well. Anything that fits you well. Just do a proper research before going for any product like I do. So the next part is using a moisturizer. I'm using this one by Face Shop Chia Seed lotion. This is very lightweight product, guys, and Face Shop products are very lightweight, so even the people with oily skin can use that. It's very good. I do not like a heavy moisturizer on my face because I already use like a serum, so I go for this one. And currently I'm using my travel pack wala bottle because the bigger bottle that I keep here at home is over, so I have to buy that. I don't know why beauticians use it over here. Okay, the moisturizing is done. Next step, we are gonna go and use a sunblock. So for sunblock, I'm using this Lotus Safe Sun Skin Lightening Anti-Tan Sunblock, which is having SPF 30, and it's a sunblock. It's amazing, guys. I'm using this product since very long time, and Lotus has a great range of sunscreen. The Ultra Matte Gel one is also really nice, but I started using this one and it was going well with my skin type, so yeah, I'm sticking to this one. So with sunscreen, I would like to tell you guys that even when it's not sunny, even when you're not stepping outside your home, you should still use good amount of sunscreen or sunblock. Now also for the hands, I use another sunscreen, which is this one. This is by Wow, and it's their sunscreen spray. It's with SPF 50 and it's a spray, guys, so it's very good for people like me who are very lazy. So I think, yeah, and I'm gonna just show it to you guys how it is. So it's such a lightweight product. It doesn't leave a white cast also, and it's like super blendable. It's very lightweight, so I'm gonna just use it on my hands. Now if you do not have that sunscreen spray, you can go for this one. This is the Lakme Sun Expert. It's a lotion and it has SPF 24 in it, so this one also comes handy. I sometimes use this and sometimes use that, so you can check it. Now once I finish all my skincare, I go to my eyes, and for that I'm using my Kiehl's Avocado Cream. It's a really nice brand and I've talked about this cream a lot. Though my sleeping pattern is not good, I'm still keeping up because this cream here has done really good changes, and I'm using this cream since like a long time. Also, I would like to talk about this one product, which is the Vitamin C Hand and Nail Cream. It's a hand cream basically, and plus a nail cream. So I'm just gonna use, oh, like a vlogger. I nicely use it on my hands, fingers, cuticles, nails, everything. Though I have nail paint on, the cuticles are still exposed. And for lips, I generally use any lip balm that I get, like Lakme Lip Love or Baby Lips or even Petroleum Jelly. So anything is fine for me, and I'm just gonna use it off camera. But yeah, for guys and girls, whoever is watching this video, I would really request you all to start taking care of your skin, which is like really important. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys like it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and comment down below your favorite part or any feedback that you want to give me. And if this video was useful for you guys, see, I've done the whole video without using any makeup, which is a great deal for me because I was so insecure of you know, showing my real face without makeup. But I hope I did pretty well. And yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comment and share this video with your friends and family. It's a useful video. I hope everyone likes it. Give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if new. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys next week. Till then, bye bye.